Susunod sa Kamusta Ka? Bagong Pilipinas.
Paano natin alam kung yung kapatid nating kaibigan natin, even the person next to us,
Yes.
have this suicidal
Tendencies.
depression?
Ano ba talaga yung sanhi nung problems na ito? What is the root cause?
Being us with ourselves, I think that is when the problem arises.
Of people committing suicide, people who are depressed, anxious, all these descriptions of mental illness.
Are we bringing up or raising our kids aware that part of life is a difficulty?
This tragedy remind us that suicide is not about weakness, ha?
Samahan sina Marlene Crag, Rina Tolentino at Conrad Ferreras sa isang talakayang pangkalusugan, pangkabuhayan at makabayan para sa isang bagong Pilipinas. Kamusta ka? Bagong Pilipinas!